Right, so what we're going to do today is clean the condenser on the Indesit Condenser Dryer. On this model, it will actually show you when to actually empty it. It's been lit up for a while now. So what we shall do is locate to the condenser, which you'll find at the bottom here, and all you got to do is put one hand on this side, one hand on this side, and pull towards you. Right, all the way down, like so. Right, what you now need to get is a towel, place underneath like that. You stay there. Right, and now what you need to now do is that you'll see 3 blue clips. As you do that, water should start to come out. There we are, water's coming out here. When you dribble, just what's in there taken away. That's all. Right. Before we'll clean this, we'll put this to one side first, and we'll just quickly clean any water that's leaked out. Remember, put your hands, so you need to get your towel, dry the chamber out. Right, also every 6 months, clean out here, any fluff remaining here. It shouldn't be any, but it may happen. Right, we're done with that now. A bit of fluff there. Right, you need to clean this every month, so mark it in your calendar. There's a little instruction down there to mark it every month. Mark it on the first, whatever, first Saturday of the month. Right, we'll take this over to the sink. Right, what you now want to do is bring the condenser over to the sink. Before you start, let's have a rummage in the front. You'll get most of the stuff out. Now you can do this about one of 3 ways. You can use a jug, you can use a tap, if it's deep enough, no, this isn't deep enough, or you can shower it if you have a hand shower. So what we'll do, we'll get the jug, but when I say jug, this is kettle. Give it a good shake. Shake off the excess. Right, I can see inside now that this is much clearer inside. The rails on the front are much clearer. So, what you want to now do is you now want to take this back to the machine. Don't worry about any of this, obviously it's all contained, so you know it wants, and whatever's excess it will dry in the dryer. Right, this is all the fluff and all that's just come out of the condenser. Right, so now what we're going to do is put the condenser back in. Just with a towel over the sides, whatever. Just get rid of any excess. Right. Push it. Bit of fast, but it will eventually go back in. Right, put it back into place. Remember to do all 3 clips. Shut the door back up. Move the wire out of the way. Right, and then this is your clip stopper here. So you want to clip it back into place, shut the door, and carry on drying now. Right, and that's how you clean your condenser.